361 Conspicuous, adjective openly wicked. Synonyms, noticeable, clear. Antonyms, invisible, hidden. Sentence, if you dye your hair purple, you will be very conspicuous among the other teachers. 362 Capricious, adjective volatile. Synonyms, fickle, changeable. Antonyms, constant, stable. Sentence, you need to settle down and stop being so capricious. 363 Arable, adjective liable to err. Synonyms, faulty, frail. Antonyms, perfect, infallible. Sentence, my younger brother is inclined towards arable tasks. 364 Devout, adjective enthusiastic. Synonyms, zealous, ardent. Antonyms, apathetic, dull. Sentence, it takes more than one devout employee to make a successful business. 365 Fictitious, adjective imaginary. Synonyms, mythical, fictional. Antonyms, genuine, authentic. Sentence, Scott created a fictitious non-profit organization, funneling his money through it tax-free. 366 Impetuous, adjective rash. Synonyms, risky, irresponsible. Antonyms, careful, alert. Sentence, it is easy to be impetuous when you want something really badly. 367 Denouement, noun conclusion. Synonyms, climax, finale. Antonyms, initiation, debut. Sentence, the play's denouement saw the main character die tragically just before the curtain fell. 368 Fitful, adjective spasmodic. Synonyms, intermittent, fluctuating. Antonyms, continuous, continual. Sentence, Jim was tired when he woke up after a fitful night of sleep. 369 Feasible, adjective practicable. Synonyms, possible, doable. Antonyms, impossible, implausible. Sentence, with school, kids and a busy job, it just isn't feasible to waste time. 370 Repudiate, verb show contempt for. Synonyms, defy, disregard. Antonyms, honor, praise. Sentence, during his next speech, the president will repudiate blame for the economic situation. 371 Conspicuous, adjective manifest. Synonyms, noticeable, salient. Antonyms, inconspicuous, unremarkable. Sentence, during the summer season, the flies are very conspicuous all around. 372 Ecstasy, noun joy. Synonyms, felicity, enchantment. Antonyms, misery, woe. Sentence, he was famous for his ecstasy of the passion. 373 Regress, verb fall back. Synonyms, backslide, retreat. Antonyms, develop, forge. Sentence, many students start regressing into the practice of not studying once they get a position in the class. 374 Dyspathy, noun animosity. Synonyms, aversion, animus. Antonyms, love, rapport. Sentence, my dyspathy for John is so great that I cannot stand to be around him. 375 Amorphous, adjective vague. Synonyms, nebulous, baggy. Antonyms, definite, distinct. Sentence, I could not make an idea because the painting was amorphous. 376 Replicate, verb clone. Synonyms, reflect, repeat. Antonyms, ignore, reject. Sentence, DNA replicates itself in the cell nucleus. 377 Exultantly, adverb cheerfully. Synonyms, freely, gladly. Antonyms, unsuccessfully, unhappily. Sentence, the crowd let out an exultant cheer. 378 Evacuate, verb abandon. Synonyms, desert, discharge. Antonyms, continue, hold. Sentence, residents have been ordered to evacuate. 379 Conduce, verb advance. Synonyms, assist, forward. Antonyms, block, decrease. Sentence, I would conduce for the further research. 380 Opus, noun creation. Synonyms, product, production. Antonyms, destruction, ruin. Sentence, the part of this work is called opus. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.